Going full motivated painters on this one. It's a smart repair on the front end. We'll be using the Walcom ego190 mini jet, and it's a motivated painters edition. It's the HVLP version of the gun, so let's get into this one. Here we go, guys. Like I said in the intro, this is the motivated painters edition of the Walcom Ego HVLP. Spraying at 29 psi, and we'll get into this. It's more of a smart repair, but we've just lacquered out the whole wing just for ease. Makes life a lot easier when you can clear the whole panel rather than the half a panel. Ideally we wanted this bumper off, but some of the bolts were seized on the front. I'm not even sure if seized is the right word. The where the bolt goes in, that was spinning as well, so we didn't want to have to start cutting bolts out of the car. We've just left it as is. We just popped the front bumper loose. This colour is 414. It's a solid red on the Alfa Romeo. And with StandoBlue, you put your base on in 2 goes instead of the 1.5 when it's a solid colour. If it's a metallic colour, it's all in 1 go. But with the solid colours, they can tend to release solvents after it's been cleared. It's weird. They look like fish eyes, but they're not. It's just you've got far too much base coat on. So with the solid colours, I've been told to apply 2 light coats and then lacquer as normal, and I've not had any issues since, so it seems to have done the job. You can see with this stuff it covers really well, but like I say, I do it to the technical specifications and how I've been told to apply the paint. These guys are paid a lot of money to come up with technical data sheets. I do think they're underrated and not enough people read them, but that's just me. I noticed there's a small chip on the top there as well. So we'll just take care of all that before we get ready to clear this one. It's a lovely little gun, this smart repair gun. And here we are with the Walcom HTE Clear 1.2. The Ego, the mini jet, that was a 1.2 as well. Can't remember if I said. I'm just doing my gun settings here. I just like to check every time that they are where I know they are. You know, I can trust it. I know what I'm doing then. Some guys like to spray with it fully wide open, but it's too much for me. I suppose I'm a bit slower in the arm movements rather than some guys are really quick. But as long as you're getting the desired finish, that's all that matters. First coat here is really light coat. You can see I'm just not going very far here for the blend either. Second coat. Now this is a little trick I picked up from Chris over at Glazeret. Putting the fade out thinners. Absolute brain fart today. Putting the fade out thinners on first, and then doing the blend afterwards. Taking the lacquer from the blend into where I will be lacquering fully, and it's given me good results. I never thought to try it with the Standox, but I did. A little carryover that's worked. So you can see I'm angling the gun away from the local, just touching the edge of the fade out thinner there, and then I'll just dust slightly over the top of that again just to make sure it's uniform. And then I'll just carry on about lacquering this as normal. Making sure we get under there as well. Don't want dry patches under there. all my edges, and then this is the last coat, so I'm just taking my time now. You'll see my arm speed is significantly slower. I'm just making sure I've got this on where I want it. Just making sure everything's nice. Always get down. If you get down at this angle and you actually have a look up towards the ceiling, you'll actually see the orange peel. It's a better way to gauge. Sometimes it looks really good until you get down and you see it, and you know, it's a little trick I learned a little while ago. But this one's wrapped up now, so thanks a lot for your time, and hit that subscribe button. I need to get some more subscribers, but I really appreciate the ones that have subscribed, and I hope I'm bringing you value out there. So thanks a lot for watching. I'm going full motivated painters on this one. It's Alpha Romeo 414 is the colour code. Or is it? Is it the colour code?